Here in Maine, people frequently ask how much of an impact snow will have on solar electric system performance.
Snow on solar panels may reduce a system's production. However, snow tends to clear quickly off of solar panels.
Solar panels tend to behave like metal roofs during snowfalls. When the snow sticks to the panels, it will typically melt or slide off quickly once the sun comes out.
Even if you lose a few days of production due to snow on the panels, the loss will be a very small percentage of annual electricity production. Loss of production on a short winter day is more than made up for by the high production that occurs on the longer, sunnier days in the spring and summer.
If your solar panels do get covered in snow, we do not recommend raking snow off solar panels. Removing snow can be dangerous, and there's a risk that you may damage your solar panels and void your panel's warranty.
Solar panels warm quickly under the sun, so we recommend patience. Allow the sun to do the work of clearing your solar panels. We specify solar panels that are designed to withstand heavy snow loads, so there's no need for concern that snow accumulation will damage your panels.
For more answers to your questions, visit our website, MaineSolarSolutions.com.